We stand here today to honor the passing deaths of our fellow bird friend.
Though we never got to meet him, he was good for a little while.
Here he lies in his final resting place. We're about to bury him. Would anybody like to say some words?
Yeah.
Natalia?
So first, I must say, even though this bird, I feel like we should definitely name it.
But he's already dead.
But that way he can go to Star Clan.
You're right.
I have something to say.
Yes.
What should we name him?
I hope he had a good life. And he won't be saved from Star Clan. And he won't be sad.
Couldn't have said it better, Sky.
Okay, I've decided his new warrior name.
Yes.
Because of when we found him, he's now going to be buried in the dirt. So his prefix will be dirt. And as for the suffix, it will be flower because he or she is being buried with the flower. Dirt, flower, dirt, flower, dirt, flower, dirt, flower, dirt, flower, dirt, flower.
All right.
Cameraman, would you like to say anything?
Sure. Even though we never met the bird,
Way to interrupt the funeral!
shut up, airplane! What I was gonna say before this stupid airplane came in is, even though we never saw him, he was a good bird.
He was a good bird.
We can
Or
even
she.
tell.
They were a good bird. And I hope they had a good life. Now, would you like to do the honors of burying him?
Yes.
Everybody, we will take a turn with the shovel to put dirt over him. Or her. Goodbye, fellow bird
It's my
friend.
turn.
Come on.
This is Sky's turn.
Hey, it's my turn.
Take a shovel.
Wait, that didn't count. Wait, hold on.
Just gotta leave the flower there.
Okay. How do I? No, I can do it, Will. Stop, you're breaking the shovel. Okay, it's my turn. Salad.
I would like to say some words, even though his time has passed. I hope he has a good life in Star Clan or whatever birds go to. And I hope he appreciates that we're burying him or her instead of just leaving it there.
Why don't you put the flower on top?
All right, now it is the cameraman's turn.
Here is the final resting place of Dirt Flower.
We should bury his feet. His feet are sticking out.
Oh yeah. No, I think that's
But we should put a flower.
He already has it, or she has a flower.
We'll put
Yeah,
a flower
but
on the
yeah.
top too.
Okay,
I'll
yeah,
get one.
that's what I mean.
Film the making of me getting a flower.
All right.
Any bees?
No.
Of Sky singing and just putting for you.
May Star Clan light your path.
May Star Clan light your path.
May Star Clan light
Sit
your path.
vigil.
Tonight we will sit vigil for our lost clanmate, Dirt Flower.
Dirt Flower.
Dirt Flower.
Woo!
Even though we had no memories with him, we should
Somebody's
still
there.
still
Somebody's
try-
there.
They won't see us. Don't worry.
Somebody is there. We're good. Somebody was running. We good?
The visual is now over.
I had to go pee. I folded it.